Here is another 72, and this also in beautiful condition. Oh, sir, could I take a picture of inside, sir?
Go ahead, yeah, go ahead.
All right. Not yet. So let's take a look at this one compared to the other 72. Now this is a lot more.
Is it like specific to this car? Or?
No. This car started life as
So this one is manual. See, you can see the manual, the three pedals, the 4-speed manual, and this is a, I believe this is a ST.
It is.
I don't really know that one.
Jade is.
I can imagine what Jade looks like.
Okay, another car with the oil tank. Oil. This is where they put the oil, and the other side. Now that must be the gas tank as well, because there's no more. There aren't any more fuel tank entrance. Thank you, sir.
So, were all these painted that jade green, or did they have different colors?
No, just whatever colour you like.
This is a 2.7?
2.5.
2.5.
3.5. Twin spark. 265 horsepower.
265.
265
Wow.
with a 2.5. Yeah, it's.
Now, did you do any modification, or is this original, everything original?
That's a spec ST engine
Okay.
built by Rossport in Oregon.
Okay.
So yeah, it's an original 2.5 ST engine.
Wow.
Rare.
Now there's another 72 there, but normally the 72s came with two one of them for one gas cap in the front and one in
Yeah,
the
it's got the oil filler here.
oil. Where's your gas cap?
I'll show you under the bonnet.
Oh. Pardon me.
It would have been there.
Okay, you
You're right, it
should
be there.
yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, complete different setup.
Yeah.
So, wow, and 265 horsepower. That is impressive.
Off the 2.5. And anything 100 horsepower or more at 1 litre,
Yeah.
that's what you're going to get.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good to get more than 100 horsepower per litre.
Yes. So I have so mine is a 1975,
Yes.
2.7, but it's a California car.
Yeah.
So no rust, but the smog, they put all those things. I get 185.
Take it all off.
I did. I've just restored the entire engine, but I wish if I can get 200, that would be great. Very unlikely.
Yeah, that's it. Not without twin spark or high compression. You're going to struggle to get
Yes. So I'm at 8.5 to 1 compression ratio.
10 points.
Oh wow, yeah. So that's a complete different ball game.